A continuous offender cannot be go free from punishment. That is where I link that I was wondered how this school has been organized in all these years, and it is creating so good students, and it is a pride of Jharkhand today. It's not only job. You can create a soul.
Please take your seat. The chief guest is on his way.
तन्मयता से उस स्कूल को पढ़ाने में उन्होंने अपना पूरा पसीना बहाया जिंदगी भर। रांची की जनता आज तक कभी भी अंजू दीदी को कभी भूल नहीं पाई।
एक अच्छा ट्रेनर, एक अच्छा प्रशिक्षक, एक अच्छा शिक्षक, एक अच्छा मार्गदर्शक तब तक नहीं बन सकता जब तक स्वयं वो न करे जो चाहता है कि लोग करें। जैसे इसके बाद भी आपके आप इस वक्त ठीक ऐसा ही महसूस कर रहे होंगे कि आप प्राइमरी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और मैं टीचर आपके सामने खड़ा हूं। कोई खड़ा नहीं होगा, कोई हिलेगा नहीं, कोई क्लासरूम में बीच में टिफिन खोल के नहीं खाएगा। जब हम बच्चों से ये अपेक्षा रखते हैं तो हमें स्वयं भी ये करना चाहिए। मैं चीजें ठीक कराने के लिए मशहूर हूं सुबह, इसलिए चीजें इस बार ठीक करा दूंगा तो बेहतर हो जाएंगी और अगली बार। निश्चित तौर पे मैं बहुत खुश महसूस कर रहा हूं। एक छोटी सी आपसे एक सवाल करना चाहूंगा। क्लास में कोई टीचर पढ़ा रहा हो और बच्चे का ध्यान कहीं और हो तो आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं? नहीं, आपसे सवाल है मेरा, मैं भाषण नहीं दे रहा हूं, मैं वैसे भी मोनोलॉग में अपनी नहीं करता, मैं डायलॉग में बात कर रहा हूं। कैसा महसूस करते हैं? अच्छा लगता है कहीं और ध्यान है उसका, पढ़ाई नहीं हो, क्लास में उसका ध्यान नहीं हो, ऐसा महसूस करते हैं कि बहुत बढ़िया लगता है कि उसका ध्यान खिड़की के बाहर हो या उसका ध्यान कहीं और हो या किसी से बात करो। कैसा लगता, कैसा है आपको मुझे बताइए। बुरा लगता है। मुझे ठीक ऐसा ही लग रहा है जितने लोग मोबाइल हाथ में लेके बैठे।
Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Myself Mrs. Moshmi. As you all know, I am the principal of St. Xavier's High School, Hardoi, Lucknow. More than 30 years I am associated with the field of education, and among 30 years I am having the experience of 25 years as a principal. So today is a very special day for me. I have been selected for receiving the most prestigious Gargi Manju Sanman 2025. It was absolutely on pan-India basis. From the different places of India, some principals and teachers were selected to receive this award. This is the day when another one feather have been added in that very prestigious program. Our honorable members of parliament, Mr. Sanjay Seth, was present over there. The school chairman, Mr. Sudhir Tiwari, school vice chairman, Mr. Vedant Tiwari, school director, Mr. J. Mohanty, school principal, Mrs. Usha Kiran, event manager, Miss Jyoti Khushla, Mr. Montu, and very eminent film star, Mr. Shailesh Lodha. They all were present on the dais. So the awardees have received the prestigious award from their Hindu. The school Tender Heart started with the 5 students under the able guidance of Madam Gargi Manju, and today the strength has reached near about 6,000. So from these statistics only we can easily make out the qualities, the capability of the principal of the school, Madam Gargi. She has expired in the year of 2022. So in the loving memory of Madam, school chairman sir, her husband, school vice chairman, as well as the full team of Tender Heart School, last 3 years consecutively celebrating Gargi Manju Sanman Award. It was an awesome experience. The teamwork was excellent. The hospitality was very good. In one sentence, I can say the awardees have received the proper respect, dignity, and they have enjoyed the true essence to be the awardee of. I wish a great success of the Tender Heart School, as well as all the very best for the full team members of the Tender Heart. Thank you so much. The Tender Heart School is situated in Ranchi, which is in Jharkhand district. From our childhood only, Ranchi we used to know as a hubs of education, you can say. Many good schools are there. Tender Heart is one of them. One very important point to be said, as Madam Gargi Manju, she was a great educator. So as a mark of respect, the school chairman and the full team members, they have selected the educators only for this award, because educators are the person who can bring the social reformation, who can bring the changes in the society, who can bring the changes to the world.